Okay, we got another fantastic flip issue here. See this return grate, and see how that thing is, well, not suitable for body weight. I mean, I'm in an old house, circa 1900, and these older houses had return grates, you know, that were thick iron or metal. You could, you know, walk on them or whatever, and they're not gonna fall through like this. This is just chintzy thin metal here. And that's why that thing's bent. If I put my full body weight, I guarantee I'd be standing on these pan return joists here, which I'm not gonna do for the video, but trust me, this thing's not gonna hold anything here, hold body weight. So it's kind of by a main door here too. So it's just kind of a stupid little thing that you normally see on flips, all too common. Josh at Northwest Ohio Home Inspections. Thanks for watching.